Hey guys, welcome to the 1 Minute Review channel. Today I'm looking at some clips the company did send me and did compensate me to make a review on. Now these aren't just regular clips, these are for wire shelving clips. Let me show you what they look like and how they come. They come in a package like this here, and there's different sizes available, and this is a package of 20. Let's take a quick look at these together. I want to talk to you a little bit about these and also different uses for these. So here they come just like that in the package, and here are the 20 clips. Now the clips just come like this here. There's no screws involved or no anchors, a plastic anchor, expansion anchors. You need to get those on your own, but these are just the plastic clips themselves. And you can use pretty much any screw. I use drywall screws when I use these. If I'm hooking them up into a closet, they seem to go in best with the beams, but you can use any kind of screw you want. It doesn't really matter. I just want to show you the clip itself, the quality of the clip, and how they work. And these actually snap in, so you can see how they're looped a little bit like this here. They're designed to snap into the wire shelving. So if you have wire shelving in your closet, or you're adding wire shelving to your closet, or you need extra support in your current closet, this is something that you will definitely need. I use these all the time. I have to tell you, every time I move or do something or reconfigure a closet, you need to use these clips when you're using wire shelving. It's so important. It stabilizes the back of the shelf to the wall. That's really the very important part, because it anchors, it keeps the weight. Now you can use these for other things as well. You can use these to run wires, electrical wires, Christmas lights, cable wires. It doesn't really matter. Most wires will fit in here, which is actually really kind of cool. I like that. Let me just give you an example here. Here's a wire I have right here. And say you're running some wire and you want to run it across some shelving or across the wall somewhere, you can actually hide it in the back of the corner behind something. You can actually wire management with something like this. So I think that's actually a really cool thing. I like that quite a bit. I'm going to give you a quick measurement on this to give you an idea what the size is, so you know what you're dealing with. And these are standard, really pretty much standard in the industry, but just so you know, it is approximately 28 millimeters long by the width of this is around 12 millimeters approximately. So that's the actual, roughly the size of it. Again, you can use these for all types of purposes. I mean, you name it. Nice quality. You get 20 of them. Again, there's different configurations for these. With as many as you need or as little as you need, but they're definitely worth buying, especially if you're going to hang brackets. Like I said, if you want to hang pictures, if you want to hang up a picture, and you have a wire in the back of that, you can use this as an anchor. You put this in the wall, and now you have a nice, good base to hang a photo or a picture or something like some art. And if you want, I would recommend, me personally, I would put 2 and then use the wire to stabilize it. You have double the strength. So these are very versatile. It's not just for wire shelving, but it's all kinds of stuff. So I definitely recommend wire, either wire management or shelving. These here are fantastic, a good quality. Definitely highly recommend this brand. Definitely the way to go. And you can just see also it's inset. Just want to show you that real quick, a little close up of the inset here. So the screw sits inside here. So that kind of makes it more flush, clean. And the way these are molded are really nice. And you can see how the shelving, how this little hook is, like in that little loop. That way the wire shelf actually snaps in and doesn't pop out. And that's why it's designed this way. Okay, that's why it's that. And it's flat on the back. I want you to see that. Flat on the back in that design, and that inset where the screw goes. And where you get a nice shot of it. I want you to really see, because it's so hard to see with the photos. I really want you to see what you're dealing with. And good quality, hard plastic, fantastic. All right, guys, that's what I have for you. Appreciate it. Don't forget to follow, like, and share to this video that you see. Any platform that you're watching this on, don't forget to like and share. As always, I appreciate it, and thanks for watching the 1 Minute Review, and you have a great day.